Surah, number 36, of Quran Majeed. Ya Sin.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
Ya Sin.
Ya Sin.
وَالْقُرْآنِ الْحَكِيمِ.
By the wise Quran.
إِنَّكَ لَمِنَ الْمُرْسَلِينَ.
You are indeed one of the apostles.
عَلَى صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ.
On a straight path.
تنزيل العزيز الرحيم.
It is a scripture, sent down gradually from the Almighty, the All-Merciful.
لتنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون.
That you may warn a people whose fathers were not warned, so they are oblivious.
لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون.
The word has certainly become due against most of them, so they will not have faith.
إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون.
Indeed, we have put iron collars around their necks, which are up to the chins, so their heads are upturned.
وجعلنا من بين أيديهم سدا ومن خلفهم سدا فأغشيناهم فهم لا يبصرون.
And we have put a barrier before them and a barrier behind them, then we have blindfolded them, so they do not see.
وسواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون.
It is the same to them whether you warn them or do not warn them, they will not have faith.
إنما تنذر من اتبع الذكر وخشي الرحمن بالغيب فبشره بمغفرة وأجر كريم.
You can only warn someone who follows the reminder and fears the All-Beneficent in secret, so give him the good news of forgiveness and a noble reward.
إنا نحن نحيي الموتى ونكتب ما قدموا وآثارهم وكل شيء أحصيناه في إمام مبين.
Indeed, it is we who revive the dead and write what they have sent ahead and their effects, which they left behind, and we have figured everything in a manifest Imam.
واضرب لهم مثلا أصحاب القرية إذ جاءها المرسلون.
Cite for them the example of the inhabitants of the town when the apostles came to it.
إذ أرسلنا إليهم اثنين فكذبوهما فعززنا بثالث فقالوا إنا إليكم مرسلون.
When we sent to them 2 apostles, they impugned both of them. Then we reinforced them with a third, and they said, "We have indeed been sent to you."
قالوا ما أنتم إلا بشر مثلنا وما أنزل الرحمن من شيء إن أنتم إلا تكذبون.
They said, You are no other than human beings like us, and the All-Beneficent has not sent down anything, and you are only lying.
قالوا ربنا يعلم إنا إليكم لمرسلون.
They said, Our Lord knows that we have indeed been sent to you.
وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين.
And our duty is only to communicate in clear terms.
قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم.
They said, Indeed we take you for a bad omen. If you do not desist we will stone you, and surely a painful punishment will visit you from us.
قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون.
They said, Your bad omens attend you. What? If you are admonished. Indeed, you are an unrestrained lot.
وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين.
There came a man hurrying from the city outskirts. He said, O my people, follow the apostles.
اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون.
Follow them who do not ask you any reward and they are rightly guided.
وما لي لا أعبد الذي فطرني وإليه ترجعون.
Why should I not worship him who has originated me, and to whom you shall be brought back?
أأتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغن عني شفاعتهم شيئا ولا ينقذون.
Shall I take gods besides him? If the All-Beneficent desired to cause me any distress, their intercession will not avail me in any way, nor will they rescue me.
إني إذا لفي ضلال مبين.
Indeed, then I would be in manifest error.
إني آمنت بربكم فاسمعون.
Indeed I have faith in your Lord, so listen to me.
قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون.
He was told, enter paradise. He said, alas! Had my people only known.
بما غفر لي ربي وجعلني من المكرمين.
For what my Lord forgave me and made me one of the honored ones.
وما أنزلنا على قومه من بعده من جند من السماء وما كنا منزلين.
After him we did not send down on his people a host from the sky, nor we would have sent down.
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم خامدون.
It was but a single cry, and, behold, they were stilled, like burnt ashes.
يا حسرة على العباد ما يأتيهم من من رسول إلا كانوا به يستهزئون.
How regrettable of the servants! There did not come to them any apostle but that they used to deride him.
ألم يروا كم أهلكنا قبلهم من القرون أنهم إليهم لا يرجعون.
Have they not regarded how many generations we have destroyed before them who will not come back to them?
وَإِن كُلٌّ لَّمَّا جَمِيعٌ لَّدَيْنَا مُحْضَرُونَ.
And all of them will indeed be presented before us.
وَآيَةٌ لَّهُمُ الْأَرْضُ الْمَيْتَةُ أَحْيَيْنَاهَا وَأَخْرَجْنَا مِنْهَا حَبًّا فَمِنْهُ يَأْكُلُونَ.
A sign for them is the dead earth, which we revive and bring forth grain out of it, so they eat of it.
وَجَعَلْنَا فِيهَا جَنَّاتٍ مِّن نَّخِيلٍ وَأَعْنَابٍ وَفَجَّرْنَا فِيهَا مِنَ الْعُيُونِ.
We make in it orchards of date palms and vines, and we cause springs to gush forth in it.
لِيَأْكُلُوا مِن ثَمَرِهِ وَمَا عَمِلَتْهُ أَيْدِيهِمْ أَفَلَا يَشْكُرُونَ.
So that they may eat of its fruit and what their hands have cultivated. Will they not then give thanks?
سبحان الذي خلق الأزواج كلها مما تنبت الأرض ومن أنفسهم ومما لا يعلمون.
Immaculate is He who has created all the kinds of what the earth grows, and of themselves, and of what they do not know.
وآية لهم الليل نسلخ منه النهار فإذا هم مظلمون.
A sign for them is the night, which we strip of daylight, and, behold, they find themselves in the dark.
والشمس تجري لمستقر لها ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم.
The sun runs on to its place of rest, that is the ordaining of the Almighty, the All-Knowing.
والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم.
As for the moon, we have ordained its phases, until it becomes like an old palm leaf.
لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون.
Neither it behooves the sun to overtake the moon, nor may the night outrun the day, and each swims in an orbit.
وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون.
A sign for them is that we carried their progeny in a laden ship.
وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون.
And we have created for them what is similar to it, which they ride.
وَإِن نَّشَأْ نُغْرِقْهُمْ فَلَا صَرِيخَ لَهُمْ وَلَا هُمْ يُنقَذُونَ.
And if we like we drown them, whereat they have no one to call for help, nor are they rescued.
إِلَّا رَحْمَةً مِّنَّا وَمَتَاعًا إِلَى حِينٍ.
Except by a mercy from us and for an enjoyment until some time.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمُ اتَّقُوا مَا بَيْنَ أَيْدِيكُمْ وَمَا خَلْفَكُمْ لَعَلَّكُمْ تُرْحَمُونَ.
And when they are told, beware of that which is before you and that which is behind you, so that you may receive His mercy.
وما تأتيهم من آية من آيات ربهم إلا كانوا عنها معرضين.
There does not come to them any sign from among the signs of their Lord but that they have been disregarding it.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ أَنفِقُوا مِمَّا رَزَقَكُمُ اللَّهُ قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أنطعم من لو يشاء الله أطعمه إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين.
When they are told, spend out of what Allah has provided you, the faithless say to the faithful, shall we feed someone whom Allah would feed, if He wished? You are only in manifest error.
وَيَقُولُونَ مَتَى هَذَا الْوَعْدُ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
And they say, when will this promise be fulfilled, should you be truthful?
ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون.
They do not await but a single cry that will seize them as they wrangle.
فلا يستطيعون توصية ولا إلى أهلهم يرجعون.
Then they will not be able to make any will, nor will they return to their folks.
ونفخ في الصور فإذا هم من الأجداث إلى ربهم ينسلون.
And when the trumpet is blown, behold, that they will be scrambling towards their Lord from their graves.
قالوا يا ويلنا من بعثنا من مرقدنا هذا ما وعد الرحمن وصدق المرسلون.
They will say, woe to us! Who raised us from our place of sleep? This is what the All-Beneficent had promised, and the apostles had spoken the truth.
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون.
It will be but a single cry, and, behold, they will all be presented before us.
فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
Today no soul will be wronged in the least, nor will you be requited except for what you used to do.
إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل فاكهون.
Indeed, today the inhabitants of paradise rejoice in their engagements.
هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون.
They and their mates, reclining on couches in the shades.
لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون.
There, they have fruits, and they have whatever they want.
سلام قولا من رب رحيم.
Peace, a watchword from the All-Merciful Lord.
وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون.
And get apart today, you guilty ones.
ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين.
Did I not exhort you, O children of Adam, saying, do not worship Shaitan. He is indeed your manifest enemy.
وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم.
Worship me. That is a straight path.
ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا أفلم تكونوا تعقلون.
Certainly, he has led astray many of your generations. Have you not exercised your reason?
هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون.
This is the hell you had been promised.
اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون.
Enter it today, because of what you used to deny.
اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون.
Today we shall seal their mouths, and their hands shall speak to us, and their feet shall bear witness concerning what they used to earn.
ولو نشاء لطمسنا على أعينهم فاستبقوا الصراط فأنى يبصرون.
Had we wished we would have blotted out their eyes, then, were they to advance towards the path, how would have they seen?
ولو نشاء لمسخناهم على مكانتهم فما استطاعوا مضيا ولا يرجعون.
And had we wished we would have deformed them in their place, then they would neither have been able to move ahead nor to return.
ومن نعمره ننكسه في الخلق أفلا يعقلون.
And whomever we give a long life, we cause him to regress in creation. Then, will they not exercise their reason?
وما علمناه الشعر وما ينبغي له إن هو إلا ذكر وقرآن مبين.
We did not teach him poetry, nor does it behoove him. This is just a reminder and a manifest Quran.
لينذر من كان حيا ويحق القول على الكافرين.
So that anyone who is alive may be warned, and that the word may come due against the faithless.
أولم يروا أنا خلقنا لهم مما عملت أيدينا أنعاما فهم لها مالكون.
Have they not seen that we have created for them, of what our hands have worked, cattle, so they have become their masters?
وَذَلَّلْنَاهَا لَهُمْ فَمِنْهَا رَكُوبُهُمْ وَمِنْهَا يَأْكُلُونَ.
And we made them tractable for them, so some of them make their mounts and some of them they eat.
وَلَهُمْ فِيهَا مَنَافِعُ وَمَشَارِبُ أَفَلَا يَشْكُرُونَ.
There are other benefits for them therein, and drinks. Will they not then give thanks?
وَاتَّخَذُوا مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ آلِهَةً لَعَلَّهُمْ يُنصَرُونَ.
They have taken gods besides Allah, hoping that they might be helped by the fake deities.
لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم جند محضرون.
But they cannot help them, while they, themselves, are an army mobilized for their defense.
فلا يحزنك قولهم إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون.
So do not let their remarks grieve you. We indeed know whatever they hide and whatever they disclose.
أولم ير الإنسان أنا خلقناه من نطفة فإذا هو خصيم مبين.
Does not man see that we created him from a drop of seminal fluid, and, behold, he is an open contender.
وضرب لنا مثلا ونسي خلقه قال من يحيي العظام وهي رميم.
He draws comparisons for us, and forgets his own creation. He says, who shall revive the bones when they have decayed?
قل يحييها الذي أنشأها أول مرة وهو بكل خلق عليم.
Say, he will revive them who produced them the first time, and he has knowledge of all creation.
الذي جعل لكم من الشجر الأخضر نارا فإذا أنتم منه توقدون.
He, who made for you fire out of the green tree, and, behold, you light fire from it.
أوليس الذي خلق السماوات والأرض بقادر على أن يخلق مثلهم بلى وهو الخلاق العليم.
Is not he who created the heavens and the earth able to create the like of them? Yes, indeed. He is the all-creator, the all-knowing.
إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون.
All his command, when he wills something, is to say to it be, and it is.
فسبحان الذي بيده ملكوت كل شيء وإليه ترجعون.
So immaculate is he in whose hand is the dominion of all things, and to whom you shall be brought back.